I'm at Hector's house right now.
What's up, man?
We're about to replace this clutch. First things first, about to take the exhaust out. Alright, now the exhaust is out. About to take the transmission crossmember out and the drive shaft out. And go from there. Drive shaft is out. One side of the crossmember is out. The mount for the transmission is out. We're about to take that crossmember all the way out and then pop the transmission out real fast. Alright, now the transmission is out. And we ended up just leaving that crossmember up on that side and it worked. About to take off the bell housing, see what's up with the clutch, see what it looks like. The bell housing is off, and that's the clutch. About to take that off and then see what the flywheel looks like. Alright, this is what the clutch looks like. The disc is pretty worn out, but the flywheel is warped. It's got heat marks on it. About to pull that off and put the new one on. Start installing everything. Alright, the flywheel and the clutch is on, torqued. About to put the bell housing on, shifter fork and all that, and install the cable and adjust it rough for now. Alright, got the bell housing on and the cable is pretty much set, I think. About to tighten the transmission onto the bell housing and then put the drive shaft in. She is in. Clutch is adjusted pretty good. Feels pretty nice. Just drove it like a few miles. About to air up the tires. He's airing up the tires and see what it does. Yeah, that's basically it.